Let's start. Today we will see how to implement borders in the CSS. Let's see the code. In the body tag, we have several paragraph tags with their respective class names. We will try to apply different border styles to these paragraph tags. In the style tag, we access all the paragraph tags with their class names. Here we access that first paragraph tag whose class name is dotted. This is how we apply a border to this paragraph tag, and the border style is dotted. The width of the border is 5 pixels. This is how we apply the dash style border to the next paragraph tag. This is how we apply a solid style border to the next paragraph tag. This is how we apply a double style border to the next paragraph tag. This is how we apply groove style border to the next paragraph tag. This is how we apply a ridge style border to the next paragraph tag. This is how we apply the inset style border to the next paragraph tag. This is how we apply the outset style border to the next paragraph tag. This is how we apply none style border to the next paragraph tag. So there won't be any border around this paragraph tag. This is how we apply the hidden style border to the next paragraph tag. So the border of this paragraph tag would exist, but it will be hidden. And last but not the least, this is how we apply a mixed combination of different styles of borders to the last paragraph. Here the top and bottom edges of the border would be of a dotted type, and the left-right edges would be of solid type. Let's run this code in a browser. So you can see different types of border styles here. This last one has a mixture of different border styles. We can also have different widths on the different edges of a border like this. The first value is of the top edge. And the second value is of the right edge. The third value is of the bottom edge. And the fourth value is of the left edge. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, all the edges of this border are of different widths. Now, this is how you can color a border. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the red color has been applied to this border. This is how you can create a rounded corner border. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the corners of this border are rounded. So that's it. That's how you can implement borders using CSS. Thank you.